Welcome to my channel. Today we are exploring the Honda Rebel 250 2026, a motorcycle that perfectly blends classic cruiser attitude with modern simplicity. The Rebel 250 has always been known as a friendly, stylish, and confidence-inspiring bike, and the 2026 version continues that legacy with refined design, smooth performance, and everyday usability. The first thing you notice about the Honda Rebel 250 2026 is its low and muscular stance. The long wheelbase, low seat height, and minimalist bodywork give it a true bobber-style cruiser look. Honda keeps the design clean and uncluttered, with a compact fuel tank, blacked-out components, and subtle detailing that adds a premium feel. It's a bike that looks equally good parked on the street or cruising through the city. Powering the Rebel 250 is a smooth and reliable engine designed for relaxed riding. The power delivery is gentle and predictable, making it ideal for beginners as well as riders who prefer stress-free cruising. Throttle response is smooth, and the bike feels comfortable at city speeds while remaining stable on open roads. This engine is not about aggressive performance, but about enjoying the ride with confidence and control. One of the strongest advantages of the Honda Rebel 250 is its comfort. The low seat height makes it very approachable for shorter riders and new motorcyclists. The riding position is relaxed, with forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars that reduce fatigue. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out for a casual weekend ride, the Rebel keeps you comfortable and in control. Handling on the Rebel 250 2026 is light and easy. The bike feels balanced and stable, especially at low speeds, which makes it perfect for urban riding and traffic conditions. Turning and maneuvering feel natural, and the suspension does a good job of soaking up bumps and uneven roads. Braking performance is smooth and predictable, giving riders confidence during everyday riding. Technology on the Honda Rebel 250 is simple and rider-focused. The digital instrument display provides clear and essential information without unnecessary distractions. Honda has focused on reliability and ease of use rather than overloading the bike with complex electronics. This simplicity is part of what makes the Rebel so appealing to a wide range of riders. What truly makes the Honda Rebel 250 2026 special is its personality. It's a motorcycle that encourages you to enjoy the journey rather than rush the destination. It's stylish without being flashy, comfortable without being boring, and practical without losing its character. The Rebel also offers great potential for customization, allowing riders to personalize it according to their taste. Overall, the Honda Rebel 250 2026 is a well-rounded cruiser that delivers style, comfort, and trusted Honda reliability. It's an excellent choice for beginners, daily commuters, and riders who want a relaxed and stylish motorcycle experience.